In this short tutorial, I will show you how to make your story public on Facebook. Sometimes, you may encounter a situation where the public option is grayed out and you are unable to select it to make your story public. This can be frustrating, but there is a way to fix this issue. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on your name at the top. After that, tap on these three little dots next to the Edit Profile button. If you have locked your profile, you need to unlock it first. To do that, tap Unlock Profile. And then tap on the Unlock option. Then tap Unlock Your Profile. Once you've done that, tap the menu button. Scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. After that, scroll down a bit and you'll see a section called Audience and Visibility, and in that section, you'll see an option called Stories. Tap on it. Then tap Story Privacy. And then select Public. This is exactly how you can make your story public on Facebook. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.